This is the iron ore powder sample sent by the customer. Now let's test its concentration. It should be noted that the sample bag used by the customer to hold the powder feels very thick, which may affect the accuracy of sample detection. We can provide customers with sample cups and films, and put the samples into the sample cups in advance. You can see that the film is very thin. Place the loaded sample into the detection window, and cover it with a radiation shield. The detection analyzer is Terra 900S, select the mining mode. Set the detection time longer. The duration is 50 seconds, and the main time is 30 seconds. Start testing. Test ends. We can see that the powder sample contains 29.763% chromium, 17.478% iron and 6.818% aluminum, as well as magnesium, silicon, manganese, calcium and other elements. The detection is accurate and convenient, and welcome customers in the ore field to come for consultation.